In this video, we're going to walk you through how Kwixand Solutions helps organizations realize the full potential of your Power BI solution, turning raw data into real insights that drive smarter decisions. Whether you're just getting started or looking to take your reporting to the next level, we'll show you exactly how our team empowers clients with tailored dashboards, clean data models, and powerful analytics that align with your business goals. We'll also highlight some real examples of the work we've done for our clients so you can see the real-world impact Power BI can have when implemented the right way. So if you're ready to get more value from your data, let's dive in and show you what Power BI and Kwixand Solutions can do for your organization. In our first example, we'll look at the built-in integration between Microsoft Business Central and Power BI. I'm here in my Cronus demo company in Business Central, and I'm going to scroll down on my Role Center page until I see my Power BI widget. And you can see here that there's no enabled reports, but Microsoft Power BI has a built-in integration with Business Central. So you have this right on your main page here, and you can select reports to set up and view here as well. I'll select reports. And I'm taken to a list where I can see a list of reports I have access to within my organization. There are various out-of-the-box apps available from Microsoft that you can leverage, like the Finance app or the Inventory app. And you can also choose to embed any of your own personal Power BI reports that you have access to right here in your Role Center. So I think I'll start by selecting this Finance app. And I'm going to just choose to enable it. And maybe we'll select the Inventory app as well. And we'll click Close. The Power BI widget, which it will refresh with this new data. And there we go. And we see here, this is part of the Inventory app. I can select the drop-down and we can view other reports that I've enabled. So if I go to Next, I should see my Finance app. And there it is. If you'd like to see this in a larger screen and view the other available report pages, we can come again to this drop-down and choose the Expand option. And now we see it in a full screen view, which is much more accessible. We see at the bottom here, we have various tabs like Financial Overview, Income Statement, Balance Sheet. So this is a great out-of-the-box package that's available free of charge from Microsoft that connects directly to your Business Central data, and you can leverage it right inside the software. We can also look at what other available reports there are in the Microsoft App Source Store. I'm going to go to Select Reports here. And in the three dots at the top, I'm going to go to Get Reports, and let's look under Services. And this is going to take us to the App Source Store, where we can see what available Power Apps are available here. And we see here we have several to choose from, different ones on analytics and usage, finance, sales, various categories there. And these are all free of charge, so you can choose to get it now, and it will become available in your own Power BI workspace, where you can then embed it into Business Central. In our second example, we're going to look at a series of tabular and matrix style reports used by one of our clients for managing Business Central sales and inventory transactions related to their manufacturing processes. We provided a home navigation menu to allow for easy navigation to their desired report, depending on the user. Let's take a look at the Open Orders matrix style report. Filters are provided for each column heading so that users can easily filter on any combination of values, making it easier for them to see the data that they need. The data is also provided in an expandable matrix format where users can view data at summary or detail level and drill down and collapse as desired. In addition, columns can be sorted with a click of the mouse, and navigation buttons are provided to return users to the main screen so they can access their other reports as needed. Let's navigate back to our home, and we'll look at a different menu. Here we see our inventory transaction history report, this time provided in a regular table view without the matrix style, but we have the same functionality where we can sort by the column headers, and multiple filters are provided to allow users to easily select the data that they're looking for. Power BI tabular and matrix style reports are an excellent way to view and manage detailed data to drive informed business decisions. In our third example, we are going to highlight one of the best features about Power BI, its ability to consolidate data from multiple sources. Our client required a solution to consolidate data from multiple companies with data stored on premises in multiple tenants. Using the power of Microsoft Fabric, we created a robust solution that leverages both Power BI and Power Automate to produce impactful consolidated reports. Take, for example, this operations report, which combines data from 7 different manufacturing plants. On a daily basis, the information is retrieved and consolidated to produce powerful visuals that summarize the previous day's operations. Drill down capabilities allow the users to view the transactional details that makes up the summary charts. Let's drill down on this company here, and we'll see what those details are from yesterday. All of the detailed information is displayed in a table report, and we can easily navigate back to our main screen. Additionally, we've leveraged Power Automate to send this report to a distribution list as a daily email. The email contains a PDF of the Power BI report page, an embedded image in the body of the email, and a link to the report itself. In addition to this operations report, we have produced multiple other reports and automations for our clients, which all leverage the power of Microsoft Fabric and Power BI. It includes Power BI consolidated financial reporting, automated daily sales reports, automated monthly procurement reports, automated monthly salesperson reports, and more. These solutions show how much can be done and how much value can be added to your business by leveraging Power BI and Microsoft Fabric.